So let's take a look at factor theorem, which is a key topic in A-level maths, appearing these years across these exam boards. So let's take a look at this question, and let's suppose x plus 1 is a factor. In order to factorise this fully, what we want to do is put our x plus 1 outside of the division bus and the rest inside. The first job is to work out what we need to multiply x by to get to our x cubed here, and it's x squared, so we can put that above the division bus. We then want to multiply this x squared by this entire term. So we're going to get x squared times by x, which is x cubed, x squared times by 1, which is x squared, and then we're going to subtract. So we've got x cubed minus x cubed, which cancels, 2x squared minus x squared, which is x squared, minus 5x minus 0, which is minus 5x, and minus 6 minus 0, which is minus 6. We're now going to repeat this process, looking at what we need to multiply this x by to get to x squared, and it's x. We're then multiplying this x by the entire term here, or expression here. So we get x times by x, which is x squared, 1 times by x, which is x, and again, we're going to go ahead and subtract now. The 2x squared will cancel. We're left with minus 5x minus x, which is minus 6x, and minus 6 minus 0, which is minus 6. Finally, we've got x, which we need to multiply by minus 6 to get to minus 6x. And if we multiply this minus 6 by our x plus 1, we get minus 6x minus 6. If you subtract for the final time, we get 0, which means we've got no remainders. So we can rewrite this then in factor form as our x plus 1, which we already know is a factor, and then in brackets x squared add x minus 6. We then just need to factorise the quadratic, looking for a factor pair of minus 6, adding together to give us 1. And we can see that that's going to be x plus 3, x minus 2. So this is our answer factorised. The all-in-one revision app for GCSE and A-Level available now on the App Store or Google Play. Find 2025 predicted papers, online courses, daily tests, grades by module, over 12,000 exam-style flashcards, on-demand help, practice paper sets and top grade paper sets, plus more on the app now.